It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, March the 2nd. I'm Michael Groff. After a pleasantly warm day today, we'll see slightly cooler conditions coming in here this weekend. But by next week, temperatures going way up, above average, likely above the 80-degree mark. What about some rain? We could use some of that. When might we see our next chance of precipitation? So let's get out there and discuss this morning. 71 degrees the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 44, and outside right now here at 6:55 a.m. The sun just about to rise over the Superstition Mountains. We start this day out at 46 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 35, humidity 66%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning in the outlying areas. We're in the upper 30s, mostly mid 40s here in the mid-city. The water vapor satellite view, a very impressive nor'easter affecting the New England states today. Coastal rains, inland snows, very strong winds in excess of 50 or 60 miles per hour in some spots. Certainly seeing some power outages and some trees down. So quite a mess there, and a strong trough over the Pacific Northwest, which will be affecting our weather at least somewhat this weekend. On the watch warning map, you see plenty of winter storm warnings, gale warnings, and all sorts of winter weather-related type issues across the Northeast and out here through the interior West and the Rockies. Now, in our state, we have a wind advisory up for Northwest Arizona. Mojave County, to include places like Kingman and Bullhead City, could see some wind gusts over 40 miles per hour beginning from 11 a.m. this morning, running through 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. No wind advisory for us here in the valley, however. Convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather across the country, and precipitation for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. This is valid through next Friday morning. No rain for us here in the valley, but a chance of rain and snow across the northern part of our state. And we'll get into the details of that right now as we head out to the models and take a look at it. Start as always with the 06Z run of the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper chart, that's what we start with, at 18,000 feet. There's the strong trough off the New England coast and a deep trough over the Pacific Northwest. Southwest flow aloft here across our state, and down at the surface, that just means mostly sunny skies today, and highs this afternoon climbing into the mid-70s. Need to go out and check out a spring training game or have lunch outside, any outdoor activities. Weather will not be a problem at all. Tonight, clear skies, dry air, lows mostly in the 30s in the cold spots, mid-40s in the mid-city. Tomorrow, the trough begins to move inland across the interior west, and so rain from central and southern California on northward through Nevada. The Sierra getting pounded by some heavy snows, and some isolated to widely scattered rain and snow showers will begin to develop later tomorrow across northern Arizona. But here in the valley, we stay mostly sunny, highs upper 60s and low 70s. Sunday, widely scattered rain and snow showers in the northern part of the state. Here in the valley, mostly sunny and dry. A little bit cooler, though, behind this system. High temperatures, mid and upper 60s. Monday, we're mostly sunny. The warm-up begins. Highs in the low 70s. Should be in the mid-70s on Tuesday. Upper 70s to near 80 as a zonal flow develops across the southwest states next week. And we'll keep it near 80 on Thursday. And then this is a week from today, Friday, the 9th of March. Got a little short wave moving into the Great Basin, but a zonal flow here. High temperatures might start to back off just a little bit, mid and upper 70s, I'd say. Here is Saturday, the 10th of March. And that looks like a short wave passing north of Arizona and out into the plain states. And high temperatures might back off again a little bit further, low and mid 70s. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Sunday, the 11th of March. And that looks like ridging building back in and high temperatures getting back close to 80. And at some point next week, we could even see highs getting into the low 80s 1 or 2 days. And we see that as we check the numbers coming off of the GFS ensemble. High temperatures, yes, getting above average. Nowhere near record territory for this time of year. Most of our records in March are somewhere in the 90s. So we'll just be a little bit above average. Certainly very comfortable. And enjoy the weather while it lasts, because you know where temperatures are going after this. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here on Monday morning. So enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, you guys have yourselves a great weekend.